Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to change your default printer on your Windows 10 laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu and you want to type in settings. Best result, you come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. And then you want to select the devices tile. And now that we're on this page, you want to select printers and scanners on the left panel. And then on the right side, if Let Windows Manage My Default Printer is checkmarked, you want to uncheck that. And then select whatever printer you want to set as default. And then you would go ahead and select Open Queue. Select the printer tab at the top left, and then you would select Set as Default Printer. And that's all you'd have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.